it comes to prolonged exposure therapy, or PE, sometimes the name itself is a distraction, not because people don't understand the words, but because the word exposure gets interpreted as pain. Understandably, people hear that and think that exposure means being pushed, flooded, or forced to tolerate distress without choice. And that assumption alone can make PE sound harsh, outdated, or even unsafe. But that interpretation misses what exposure in this context is actually designed to do. You see, prolonged exposure isn't about proving that you can survive pain. It's about helping the nervous system learn something new about safety, control, and the present moment.